Lower greenhouse gas emissions. Plant-based diets are eco-friendly because they generally produce fewer greenhouse gases compared to animal-based diets. Livestock farming, especially cattle, contributes significantly to methane emissions, a potent greenhouse gas. Reducing animal product consumption can lower overall emissions, helping mitigate climate change. Reduced land use. Producing plant-based foods requires significantly less land than raising animals for meat. Livestock farming requires large amounts of land for grazing or growing animal feed. A shift to plant-based diets would reduce deforestation, preserve ecosystems, and allow more efficient land use for food production. Conservation of water resources. The water footprint of plant-based foods is much lower than that of animal products. For example, producing 1 kilogram of beef requires thousands of liters of water, while growing crops like beans or grains uses much less. A plant-based diet helps conserve water resources, which is crucial in water-scarce regions. Protection of biodiversity. Animal agriculture is a leading driver of biodiversity loss due to habitat destruction, deforestation, and the disruption of ecosystems. By reducing the demand for meat and animal products, plant-based diets can help protect wildlife and preserve biodiversity by reducing the land needed for livestock production. Energy efficiency. Plant-based foods tend to be more energy efficient to produce compared to animal-based products. The process of converting plant material into animal products is energy-intensive, with much of the energy being used for raising, feeding, and processing animals. Plant-based foods require less energy overall, leading to lower environmental impact. Less pollution and waste. Animal farming contributes to soil degradation, water pollution, and excessive waste. Manure from livestock can pollute waterways, while intensive farming practices can deplete soil health. Plant-based agriculture, when practiced sustainably, tends to produce less pollution and waste, contributing to healthier ecosystems. Reduced overfishing and ocean damage. Fishing for meat products like seafood often results in overfishing and damage to marine ecosystems. By shifting to plant-based diets, the pressure on oceans and fish stocks is reduced, helping to preserve marine biodiversity and prevent environmental destruction caused by industrial fishing practices. Lower carbon footprint. Adopting plant-based diets leads to a significant reduction in the carbon footprint of food consumption. The production of plant-based foods, such as vegetables, fruits, and grains, requires far less energy, transportation, and refrigeration than animal-based foods, reducing overall carbon emissions. Sustainable food systems. Plant-based diets support the development of more sustainable food systems. They encourage crop diversity, improve soil health, and reduce dependency on industrial-scale farming methods, which are often associated with harmful environmental practices. Sustainable agriculture can feed more people while minimizing ecological damage. Healthier ecosystems. By consuming plant-based foods, the demand for monocultures and chemical-intensive farming methods decreases. Diverse, sustainable farming practices are better for ecosystems, helping to maintain soil fertility, prevent erosion, and reduce reliance on synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, ultimately contributing to healthier environments.